Welcome to the future of online income. In 2025, ebook creation presents incredible opportunities for anyone looking to make money online. First up is Canva Magic Write. With its intuitive interface, it allows users to easily create professional-looking ebooks. Next, we have Jasper AI, a powerful tool designed to assist writers at any skill level in creating compelling ebooks. Let's dive into a comparative analysis of these two platforms, focusing on usability, style, and keyword optimization. Understanding the cost is crucial. Both tools offer unique pricing structures and value propositions worthy of consideration. User experience distinguishes these tools. We'll look at how beginner and advanced users navigate each platform. Real-world success stories illustrate the effectiveness of each platform for aspiring authors. What does the future hold for ebook creation? We'll explore emerging trends and predictions for making money online in 2025. In conclusion, both Canva Magic Write and Jasper AI have their strengths. It depends on your personal preferences and needs. Ready to start your ebook journey? Visit the respective sites to explore more and kickstart your writing career today.